Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will explain the instructions for using the York AC remote control. This remote is also used for Chigo, Comfort-Aire, Century, Klimaire, Lennox, Trane, Carrier, Blue Star brands. This is the on-off button of the AC, and we can open and close the AC with its help. We use the mode button to change the AC modes. It is possible to set 5 modes with the mode button on this AC: cooling, heating, fan, drying, and auto. Since the cooling mode is used more often, we will first explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake and cool appears on the screen, the AC switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the AC temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. When you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit is not recommended as it can cause a cold. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the AC. This AC fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. The appearance of the word auto means that the AC fan has switched to auto fan speed mode. You can choose the low speed when the fan noise disturbs you in the bedroom. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the AC also increases. We press the mode button again, and the sun symbol and the word heat appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the AC fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode causes the AC to work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. Snow covering the outdoor unit of the AC will only happen when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the fan will switch to this mode. In addition, let's state that reaching the nominal power of the AC in heating mode will take 20 to 40 minutes depending on the air temperature. Hot air coming out of the AC in heating mode takes at least 5 to 10 minutes. We press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this mode, the AC works like a simple fan. We press the mode button one more, and we see the water drop symbol and the word dry on the screen. This is the dry mode of the AC and is intended to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button one more, we switch to auto mode, and the auto word and symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the AC always tries to keep the temperature in the room at 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. That is, if the temperature in the room is lower than this indicator, the AC will work in heating mode. If it is higher, it will work in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button one more. Now we will explain how to use other buttons of the remote control. With the swing button, With the swing button, we can move the AC rollovers up and down or stop them in any position. Sometimes, when the air is very hot, we can use the turbo button to intensify the cooling of the AC. In this mode, the AC will work at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes and will return to the previous fan mode after this period ends. The iron button is used to clean the air while cooling. When the iron button is pressed, the AC not only cools the air but also cleans it. It neutralizes dust, bacteria, and unpleasant odors by releasing negative ions into the air. When this function is working, the room feels like forest air or cleanliness after rain. When the I fill button is pressed, the AC measures the room air temperature through the remote. The timer on button is for starting the AC as a desired time, but for it to work properly, we must first set the clock. To do this, we press the clock button and set the clock with the help of the temperature buttons and press the set button to confirm, like that. Now I will explain the timer function. For example, let's say we are going to work and want the AC to turn on and cool the house before we arrive home. To do this, press the timer button once and use the temperature buttons to set the time to, for example, 7 p.m. To cancel the timer on mode, simply press the off button. Or suppose we are going to bed and want the AC to turn off at 3 a.m. While the AC is running, press the timer button twice to switch to timer off. To cancel the timer of mode, simply press the off button. Thank you for watching us until the end.